What happens when your H-1B visa is refused under Section 221G by the American Consulate? So, folks, you're very excited you got this H-1B visa, and either you were in the United States or you went to your home country. And now, after getting your H-1B approved in the US, you went to India or you went to some other country, you went to Australia, you went to Japan, you went to Sydney to get your stamping done. And now the sad reality is that the consulate has issued a 221G. A 221G commonly means that the consulate needs more time to decide your application. This means that there's some documentation missing in your case. This means that the consulate is suspecting something. This means that the consulate needs to investigate further. So when you get a 221G, you need to make sure that you give them everything they want properly. Seek professional help. That's the best way to do it. Because 221Gs are carefully scrutinized by the consulate. They look at every little thing before they want to grant you a visa. And the other problem is that sometimes when you do not provide them with all the documentation, your case will be pending before the consulate for a very long time. You may get very antsy. The company may be upset that sponsored you, and you may also lose your job. So anytime you have a 221G, it's a good idea for you to make sure that you fire with all your guns, be honest, be upfront, and make sure that you give them the right documentation. In my entire experience, I've seen half the time the documents are not properly submitted, and either the case is refused by the consulate, the H-1B gets back to the service center with the intent to revoke. And even if you're in a situation wherein you have gotten an intent to revoke, you may still be able to win that. So don't give up hope when you have been waiting for a long time for the 221G. You can overcome the burden and you may be able to go through the H-1B process and get your visa stamped and come back to the United States of America.